What's she doing now?
You can't get in there.
Kids!
Today we're at the this Australian Trail Championships 50k, and I'm freezing. It's quite a cold day today up here. And anyway, we're gonna see who wins this today. And it's fucking cold today. It's very beautiful. Good conditions for running though, not so much for cycling. Merida's going really good. It's a great bike. So light, so fast, so aggressive. For the short course, long course, goes really good. Rate it big time. Gotta get some new oil in these brake circuits. Look at this XTR. Almost hitting the bar there. Should be a bit like this. So yeah, even the good stuff needs maintenance. There you go. Fuck, it's freezing up here. It's my first winter ride in I don't know how long. Woo! Time to go to Chiang Mai, I reckon. Get some Durian warmth going on there. It's too cold for Durianrider. I don't know how you do it in England. Woo! Fuck that. Fuck that. Some of the trails you have here in Adelaide. Great stuff for the single track. It's called Death Track. Because if you go off that, you're probably gonna die.